to learn, come on, let's dive in. It's read classes, lessons, tips, and the knowledge to win. Hit that subscribe, don't let it slip by. Join the journey, let's reach for the sky. Like, comment, share, let's all grow. With every click, the learning will flow. Don't miss out, stay in the know. Hit that bell and watch us go.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Miss Reed's class. In this video, I'll be taking you through the database management section of your grade 10 Information Technology SBA. So we will be going through the instructions for task A, as well as we'll be creating and designing 3 tables. With that said, let's get right into today's video. So there are instructions related to spreadsheet, and it reads, create a copy of the process client purchases sheet in spreadsheet and rename it transfer to database. Ensure there are no merge and center headings, and you are to use the import feature of Microsoft Access to import a transfer to database sheet from your spreadsheet SBA. You are to call the file your first initial plus your surname underscore database SBA. So if it is an individual SBA and your name is, let's say for example, John Doe, then your file will be saved as jdoe underscore database SBA. But if it is that you're doing it in groups, then the option in green would be the best for you guys. So task A. So we will be creating some tables. So the first one that you'll be creating is called client's personal data. And this table should contain the following fields along with their data types. So these are the field names highlighted right here for the first table. So you have client ID, you have contact person, you have client name, client type, client code, street address, state, city, parish, postal code or zip code, country, and telephone number. Next, the second table will reflect the following field names. So you're going to have purchase code, client ID, client code, items purchased, date of purchases, and the list goes on. And then in the third table now, it will reflect the following field names. So from purchase code all the way down to refund. So with that said, we're going to head over to our spreadsheet section of the SBA. So we're heading over to Excel. We're going to add a new sheet, and we're going to call this sheet transfer to database. Next, we're going to go to our process client purchases sheet, and we're going to copy all the information there. We're going to paste it in our transfer to database sheet, and we're just going to make some adjustment to the column width. Alright, so it says that there should be no merge and center headings, and as we can see, Bling World Fashion is merge and center. So all we need to do is to click on it to highlight it, and you can just go ahead and select merge and center, and it will unmerge, or you can click on the drop down icon beside merge and center and select unmerge cells. For now, we are going to remove the title from the spreadsheet because we do not want it to cause any error in our database. So I'm going to delete that heading for now. And this is how I want it to be transported or transferred to the database. So I'm going to save, and I'm going to head over to Access. So going over to Access, you select blank desktop database, you name your file. So first initial, surname, underscore, database, SBA. And then you click create. So next we're going to go on the external data tab. We're going to click on Excel. We're going to select browse. So you're going to look for your spreadsheet section of your SBA. So I find mine in downloads. I open it. I select OK. I open. I search for the sheet that I want to be imported. So that's the transfer to database sheet. I select next. Ensure that this box is ticked that says first row contains column headings. So next. Then you can go ahead and check your field names that are there in the table. So as you can see, client ID, client name, client type, client code, these are all here as short text, which is correct. And as you move on to the date, you will see date with time. So you can go ahead and press next. For this option, choose my own key. So we want to choose our own key. And in the box, we should have client ID as our primary key. So next, and then we're finished. So we close. So right there, we're through importing that table from the spreadsheet section of our SBA. So we're going to move on now to creating our first table, which is called client's personal data. So I'm going to right click on where I have table 1 right there, and I'm going to go to the design view. I'm going to save the table as client's personal data. And then I'm going to go ahead and enter my field names. But the thing is, some of these field names can be copied from the design view of our transfer to database table. So things like client ID, client name, client type, and client code, all 4 of these can be copied. So I copied it. I'm going to remove this right here because I no longer need ID by itself. And then the remaining fields that are needed, you can just go ahead and put them in.
If you're looking to learn, come on, let's dive in. Just read classes, lessons, tips, and the knowledge to win. Hit that subscribe, don't let it slip by. Join the journey, let's reach for the sky. Like, comment, share, let's all grow. With every click, the learning will flow. Don't miss out, stay in the know. Hit that bell and watch us go. If you're looking to learn, come on, let's dive in. Just read classes, lessons, tips, and the knowledge to win. Hit that subscribe, don't let it slip by. Join the journey, let's reach for the sky. Like, comment, share, let's all grow. With every click, the learning will flow. Don't miss out, stay in the know. Hit that bell and watch us go.
So this is what our first table will be looking like. So we're just going to go ahead and right click beside client ID, and we're going to make client ID our primary key for this table. And ensure that you put primary key in the description to your right. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to save this. Next, we're going to click on the create tab. We're going to select table, and we're going to create our second table. And remember, in order to create and to modify our table structure, we have to go to the design view. So our second table will be called items purchased. And again, 9 of these field names, out of the 10 of them that we need, 9 of them can be copied from the design view of our transferred database. So we can just go ahead and we can copy everything right here, and we delete the ones that we don't want.
If you're looking to learn, come on, let's dive in. It's read classes, lessons, tips, and the knowledge to win. Hit that subscribe, don't let it slip by. Join the journey, let's reach for the sky. Like, comment, share, let's all grow. With every click, the learning will flow. Don't miss out, stay in the know. Hit that bell and watch us go. If you're looking to learn, come on, let's dive in. This read classes, lessons, tips, and the knowledge to win. Hit that subscribe, don't let it slip by. Join the journey, let's reach for the sky. Like, comment, share, let's all grow. With every click, the learning will flow. Don't miss out, stay in the know. Hit that bell and watch us go. If you're looking to learn, come on, let's dive in. This read classes, lessons, tips, and the knowledge to win. Hit that subscribe, don't let it slip by. Join the journey, let's reach for the sky. Like, comment, share, let's all grow.
Alright, so when you're through with your items purchase table, it should be looking like this. So you just go ahead and make purchase code your primary key. And then you go ahead and you press create tab once more. You select table, you go to the design view, and you create your third table, which is a client return table. And once more, purchase code is the primary key. So once you're done with that, then you're through with creating and designing all 3 tables. So that's it for this video. Be sure to like, share, comment, and do subscribe so that you can receive all the other videos as soon as they are posted. Stay tuned for part 2, in which we'll be populating these tables. See you soon.
If you're looking to learn, come on, let's dive in. This read classes, lessons, tips, and the knowledge to win. Hit that subscribe, don't let it slip by. Join the journey, let's reach for the sky. Like, comment, share, let's all grow. With every click, the learning will flow.